Let's find out what's in the colored circle.
Green.
Green. Let's see what's in green circle. Do you know what this is?
This is a motorcycle.
Correct. This is a motorcycle. Let's spin it again.
Red.
Yes, red. Let's find out what is in red. Do you know what this is?
This is a submarine.
Correct. This is a submarine. Let's spin it again.
Blue.
Yes, blue. Let's find out what is in blue. Do you know what this is?
Yes, I know. This is a helicopter.
Yes, this is a helicopter. Let's spin it again.
Orange.
Yes, orange. Let's find out what is in orange. Do you know what this is?
Of course, I know. This is a bus.
Yes, this is a bus. Let's spin it again.
Yellow.
Yes, now the color is yellow. Let's find out what is in yellow. Do you know what this is?
This is a ship.
Yes, this is a ship. The last color we have is
Purple.
purple. Let's find out what is in purple. Do you know what this is?
This is a train.
Yes, this is a train. Okay, from the vehicles we have seen, which vehicle do you like the most? Leave your comments below. Press the like button if you like the video, and watch other videos on the following screen. Thank you for watching.